USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about USD or dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find a very good link for you. So it says swing trading on automation. Click on this link, come to this page, watch this video. This will help you to automate swing trading, and no matter if you're an expert or newbie, it is for everyone because I'm the first human on the planet to automate swing trading. Do check out this. You're gonna love it. Okay. Coming back to this here again, you can join Telegram if you want some free signals. And this is the chart. So starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have been getting rejection many times from the EMA. So we will not go up. We will go down. Okay. Coming back to daily chart. In daily chart, we have just taken a pullback. We will continue the downtrend. So this was your new high. And then this low was broken. So this is a clear downtrend. So if you come back and take your fib levels in the downtrend from here till here, 78% pullback has happened. This red candle has come. We're going to go down, baby. Clear. Wow. Free money. Short. You enter short. That's it. Okay. That's your fucking entry. All right. So why? Because this is your new low. Okay. This is your new low. Pullback, sexy pullback until 78%. Then this engulfing red candle. What the fuck are you waiting for? This is your free money. Okay. So enter short right now, take your profits here and get out. So that's it. That's for daily. That's your daily chart. And if you come back to 4 hour, in 4 hour, we are going down. So this is your new. You see, this low is broken. So this low is broken, and this was your minor pullback, and we're gonna continue going down. Okay, that's it. Look for shorts. If I would be you, I will just go and enter short here and take my profits here. Very good. Free money, right? Thank me later, all right? Free fucking money. Nobody else is gonna break down this for you, okay? What I have done for you for free, okay? So come here and join and subscribe and all of that. And if you want to automate everything, then join this swing trading automation, or just check, just go and check this, watch this video first to understand what at least I'm saying, okay? I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.